Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the YouTube Kids application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If you have already downloaded the YouTube Kids application, either from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, then go ahead and open it up. Once you open it, you will see this screen where you will be asked to get a parent to unlock the application. Simply tap on I'm a parent or the I'm a child option, whichever suits better for you. After you tap on one of the options, you will be taken to the welcome screen. Tap on the right arrow button at the bottom left corner and you will be asked to enter your year of birth. Simply go ahead and type it in and then tap on the confirm button to confirm your year of birth. You will now be shown the guide on basically how you can log in. You can also tap on show text if you wish to skip the video. Tap on the next button at the bottom left corner and then you will be asked to select your Google account from the accounts saved on your device. If you don't have any, you can simply tap on the sign in button and enter your email address and your password. After selecting your Google account, tap on the sign in button and then scroll and read through the parental consent. At the end, you will be asked to enter your password. So simply type in your password and then tap on the confirm button. You will then be allowed to create a profile for your children. Simply type in your child's first name and then enter the age. Then choose the birth month and then tap on the OK button. Then tap on the next button at the bottom right corner once again and then choose what kind of contents you want to be shown to your child. The recommended settings will already be selected, so you can simply tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the select button to confirm. Now you can simply select your profile and tap on the next button and go through the recommended tour and the application will now be ready to use. Simply tap on your profile and now this will open up the YouTube Kids application. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.